Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, this is a second video from the exercise 5.6. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. And in this video, I am going to start from sum number 3. If 1 omega and omega square are 3 cube roots of unity, then evaluate the following. So as here, 3 plus 5 omega plus 3 omega square whole square and 1 plus 2 omega plus omega square. So you know that 1 plus omega square plus omega that equal to 0. You know that the value. And omega cube equal to also plus 1. So here 3 plus 3 omega square, if you common 3, it becomes 3 plus omega square, then plus 5 omega whole square. And after that here 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square that equal to minus omega. So minus omega plus 2 omega, what? That equal to omega. And here 3 into 1 plus omega square, that means 3 into minus omega. So that one equal to minus 3 omega. So minus 3 omega plus 5 omega, it becomes 2 omega square into omega. So here 4 omega square into omega, and your final answer will be 4 omega cube. Now omega cube means 1, so that equal to 4 only. Okay, it's very easy. Now move on to the next one. So here next one, sum number 3 2. 1 minus omega to the power 4 plus omega to the power 8 into 1 minus omega to the power 8 plus omega to the power 16. Okay. So as here 1 minus omega to the power 4 means it's minus its omega. Okay. Omega to the power 4 means omega, because omega cube into 1, it becomes omega. Now next for omega to the power 8. For omega to the power 8, you can write down omega to the power 6 into omega square. So it becomes omega square, because omega to the power 6 means omega cube whole square. And omega cube means 1. So 1 square means 1. So 1 into omega square, it becomes omega square. So here also you can write down 1 minus omega square, and in place of omega to the power 16, you can write down omega to the power 15 dot omega. 15 means omega cube whole to the power 5 dot omega. Okay. So now here 1 into omega, it becomes omega. Okay. So here omega to the power 16 means omega only. So write down here omega. Now as here 1 minus omega square omega, so you know that 1 plus omega that equal to minus omega square. Okay, 1 plus omega that equal to minus omega square. So it will be here minus omega square and another minus omega square. Here 1 plus omega square that equal to minus omega. So write down minus omega minus 2 omega. Okay, so here minus 2 omega into minus 2 omega square, that equal to 4 omega cube, and that equal to 4 is your final answer. Now here the next one, sum number 4. In sum number 4, if omega 1 and omega square are the cube roots of unity, show that. So here the first one, 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square, then 1 plus omega to the power 4, then 1 plus omega to the power 6. You have to show that, sorry, this one 8. 1 plus omega to the power 8, and you have to show that this one equal to 1. Okay, very good. So now you know that 1 plus omega square that equal to 0, and omega cube equal to 1. So here 1 plus omega, first one will be write down 1 plus omega, and second one here 1 plus omega square, so that equal to minus omega. You can also change that one also. In place of 1 plus omega, you can write down here minus omega square. Okay. Now here 1 plus omega to the power 4. Omega to the power 4 means only omega. And 1 plus omega to the power 8. Omega to the power 8 means you know that omega 6 into omega 2. Omega 6 means omega cube whole square. That means here omega square. So it will be 1 plus omega square. So it's omega cube. Then 1 plus omega means again omega square. It's minus. And omega square means again minus omega. So it will be omega cube into omega cube. That means here 1 into 1, and that equal to 1. So it's proved. Now sum number 4 2. So in sum number 4 2, here 1 plus omega, then 1 plus omega square, then 1 plus omega to the power 4, then 1 plus omega to the power 8 dot 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 up to 2n factors. Okay, up to 2n factors, and you have to prove that that one equal to 1. So as here 1 plus omega, so you can arrange this one in this way, 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square. And the second one you can arrange 1 plus omega to the power 4 into omega to the power 8 dot 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 up to 2n factors. Okay. So now if you multiply this one, it becomes 1 plus omega, then omega square, and then that one omega cube. And here it will be 1 plus omega to the power 4, then omega to the power 8, and then omega to the power 12 dot 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 up to 2n factors. Okay. So here 1 plus omega square, that equal to 0, and value of omega cube, that equal to 1. For the second one, here 1 plus, now omega square means you know that omega, and omega 8 means omega square, and here omega 12 means omega cube to the power 4, that means 1 to the power 4, so it becomes 1, then dot 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 up to 2n factors. So from the first one it will be 1, and from the second one, because this one equal to 0, so again it will be 1, and then it's up to 2n factors. So your final answer will be 1, because if you multiply 1 again and again and again, it becomes only 1. So your answer is 1. Now next one, sum number 4 3. Okay, so here sum number 4 3. In sum number 4 3, write down 1 minus omega, after that 1 minus omega square, then 1 minus omega to the power 4, then 1 minus omega to the power 8, and that equal to, you have to show that 9. Okay, so as here 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square, if you multiply these two, you will get here 1 minus omega square, then plus omega cube. Okay, and the next one you have here 1 minus omega to the power 4 into 1 minus omega to the power 8, or you can also change these omega to the power 4 and omega to the power 8. So do one thing, write down in place of omega to the power 4, you can write down here omega only, and here in 8 write down omega square. So now the first one will be, as here 1 minus omega minus, so it will be 1, and here in place of omega q it will be also 1, and after that if you common minus, it will be omega plus omega square. The second one will be also same as the previous one, so 1 plus 1, if common omega minus, so it will be omega plus omega square. So it will be 2 minus, and here minus 1. Now the next one will be 2 minus, here minus 1. Why minus 1? Because you know that 1 plus omega square, that equal to 0. So if omega plus omega square equal to minus 1 from that equation. So here it will be 3 into 3, and that equal to 9. It's proved. Okay, now the next sum. So just hold 1 minute at the next page. So here sum number 4 4, the last one. So here p plus q omega plus r omega square divided by r plus p omega plus q omega square, and that equal to, you show that omega square. Okay, the right hand side is omega square. So from the first one, so here if you multiply up and down with omega, if you multiply, remember, if you multiply up and down with omega, it becomes p omega q omega square, and then r omega cube. Next one, r omega p omega square, then q omega cube. Okay, so now that one will be here p omega q omega square, so it will be, write down here p omega q omega square, and omega cube means 1, so just write down r only. Okay, and here if you common omega from the lower side, it will be r plus p omega plus q omega square. Now that is exactly equal to the upper one, so it will be here 1 by omega. Okay, so 1 by omega. Now as here 1 by omega, so if you multiply this one by omega square in up and down, it will be omega square, and here it will be omega cube, so that equal to omega square, because omega cube equal to 1. Okay, so in this place you have to multiply omega square with up and down both. Now sum number 5. So here in sum number 5, if alpha beta are the complex cube roots of unity other than 1, then show that, you have to show that here alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 alpha inverse beta inverse that equal to 0. So as alpha beta are the complex cube roots, that means alpha equal to omega and beta equal to omega square. Remember that. So here alpha to the power 4, that means omega to the power 4, then beta to the power 4, that means omega square to the power 4, so omega to the power 8, and here omega to the power minus 1 and omega to the power minus 2. So here omega to the power 4 means omega only, 8 means omega square only. Here it will be 1 by omega, then 1 by omega square. Okay, so that one equal to omega plus omega square, and that one equal to 1 by omega cube. You know that omega cube means what? 1. So it will be 1. Now you know the formula, 1 plus omega square, that equal to 0. So that equal to right hand side, it's proved. Very easy. Now the next one, sum number 6. So this is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here P and Q are the complex roots of unity. That means here P equal to omega and Q equal to omega square. Then prove that P square plus Q square minus PQ that equal to minus 2. You have to show that this one equal to minus 2. So P square means you can write down omega square, and Q square means it will be omega to the power 4, and here minus P into Q, that means omega cube. So omega square and that one omega to the power 4 means omega only, and omega cube means minus 1. So you know that omega plus omega square that equal to also minus 1. So minus 1 equal to minus 2, because here the formula 1 plus omega square that equal to 0. So from that omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. So that equal to right hand side, and it's proved.